applied in military and law enforcement equipment. The first item is the small clip that is frequently utilized in mall systems. It is designed for easy removal and installation at any location of your choice. There are two options for connecting directions, horizontal and vertical. The female component of the buckle is securely fixed to the smaller pouch, easy and convenient to open with the pull-up. Practical application can significantly enhance work efficiency. The following is the quick-release system, commonly used in bulletproof vests. The one-click quick-release system is incorporated into the design of bulletproof vests. Release from one side or release all at once. This is another type of mall buckle. The male component could be inserted through two webbing straps. We offer two versions. One features a single magnet design, while the other includes a dual magnet system. The female buckle can be securely affixed to any pouch or container. Magnetic buckle for belt, equipped with a concealed button. This is big clip. We offer two connection orientation options for you to choose from, horizontal and vertical. Convenient attachment of small pouches or bottles. Suitable for 2 inches belt and 4 millimeters thickens. There are numerous fun ways to enjoy playing with magnetic buckles. Let's embark on this exploration together.